Okay, here. This is where the train tracks are. And gravedigger.
Hi, I'm gravedigger. Yeah, y'all. Alright, we put some sticks on the train track. Yeah, only one. Yeah, that's stupid. And we're waiting for a train to come so it can destroy it. So, close up on there. Get close up.
I did.
Alright. So yeah, when a train comes by that way, we're gonna film it, alright? Lately we've been waiting here for an hour. And still no train.
It should be coming down that way. If it don't, you get on that damn track and supposed to move it down that way. It's gonna be bullshit if it doesn't.
Yeah, it's gonna be fucking bullshit. So yeah, as you can see, yeah, get away from the track.
I dare.
Miles.
Track going for miles beyond miles.
So we're just waiting here.
And a dirt trail. Yep.
Okay. So yeah.
Okay. It'll probably be part 1 too. It's probably gonna take a damn long time to get.
Well, we should just put one video.
One video. This stays battery about 1 bar left. Well,
keep it on the track.
dude, it's gonna be
fucking miles.
It's gonna be a while. Oh shit.
It's supposed to be coming from that way.
It's going that way. It's going that way.
You're right. Alright, until the train comes,
a while.
we're just gonna be waiting here.
Let's do part 1 over. Yeah. Part 1.